In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Turo promo code. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna head over to your web browser and search up Turo promo code. And once that is done, you're gonna head over to the first website, Los Angeles Times. So you're gonna wait for the website to load. So once you're on the website, you're gonna see many coupon codes. And as you can see, they're for September 2023. So the first one is get a 15% discount. So you can click view coupon code. So this is I think this one won't work. So let's head to some other website. Next you can head over to this website, vthrift.com. So once you're here, you're gonna see many codes. The first one is 25% off, and as you can see, it was used 19,000 times, but the success rate isn't that high, so it might or might not work. But you can still give it a try and click show code, and then it's automatically gonna copy the code. So that's the code ORO58CD. So you can go to their website and use it at checkout and see whether it works. Well, this next one is 97% success rate, so this surely gonna work, and it was used 57,000 times. So all you have to do is click copy code, which is gonna automatically copy it, and you can give it a try. So there are many other codes here. For example, 76% success rate, 73. You can go ahead and give this a try. So let's say this 10% off doesn't work, you can always go ahead and give this one a try, because this one also has a 73% success rate. So yeah, so you can go ahead and give all of these a try. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.